in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if your search bar or search menu is not working and you're unable to type into the search menu on your Lenovo laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So what I have to do is right-click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. Select where it says Run New Task at the top, and then type in CMD and checkmark Create this task with administrator privileges and select OK. Now that this window is open here, you just want to type in SFC space / scan out. Scan out should all be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on the keyboard to begin the system scan. This will take some time to run, so please be patient. And then once that's done, close out of here and restart your device. And then hopefully you should be good to go and your Lenovo search menu should be working properly. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.